What is good, YouTube? It is your mother sucking boy, The Session. I'm here today, and I'm here before we have our long weekend. Shout out to the GOAT MLK. The stock market will be closed on Monday, and I'm here today with a what's in my portfolio video for Robinhood. And what I need y'all to do is hit the like button, subscribe button. Make sure you rock out with the kid. But the most important thing for y'all to do today is stay tuned until the end. I'm gonna drop some gems. This is something that's been on my heart, and y'all been hitting me up a lot about it, and I need to address it. Okay, so with that being said, we'll dive into the portfolio. We are part of the 5K club. You did. It's fire. $5,200. You see, it's been a blessed week. What I'm going to do now is just scroll down and let you guys kind of see what I have. You'll see we've been increasing the shares, and I know that Chris Sane talks about getting 125 shares, and his investors are a bit more, up there. They've been doing this shit for a while. They're a bit more expertise. They're a bit more seasoned, if you will. So with us, the people that follow me, I have a wide range of people that are new, people that have never invested, people that have a little experience investing, that are just as seasoned as me or a bit above. So what we'd like to do is get 25 to 50 shares of each. As you see, we're building out NEO, APXT, 𝙎𝙤𝙬𝙬, aka LCA, Arrowhead, Tilray, CSWC, Macy's, SBE, Fuel Cell, Plug, Jumia, Blink. This is Kronos, the cannabis stock that I told y'all about the other day. These are all plays that I've been putting y'all on. If you're in the Discord, you got these days ago, hours ago, so you already hit and you already making money. You see DXC, love that one. SPHD, y'all know how I feel about that one. I love it. CNST, Plantair, Maine, and these other plays are just, these other plays that I have after Maine are just free stocks that I've received throughout the application, throughout you guys signing up, and I appreciate y'all. And I'm going to sell those next week, so they're not really anything. But just wanted to show y'all my portfolio, what it looks like, what I have shares in, what I'm invested in. You can pause the video on your own time, see what I'm invested in, see how much capital I have, and how I've been growing this much in just a week's time. So this is my Robinhood portfolio. People keep subscribing to the Discord. I love it. I'm a huge fan and supporter of each and every one of you. And now, what I need you all to do is put your phones down and listen to me. Okay, let's have a little tea with Sesh or a joint with Sesh, whatever you want to say. I have something that I have to say because a lot of y'all come to me, you're discouraged. My mom, my dad, my friends, my coworker don't support me. They don't believe me. See, what you must understand is a lot of people are what we call at-home journalists. They're at-home statisticians. So they sit at home and analyze everything that's going on in the game, but they're not in the game. They're not in the game. We're in the game. So what I need y'all to do is realize that if shit seems weird or out of place to all your teachers, your friends, your peers, your cousins, whoever, I'm feel like I'm y'all big bro, or I'm your cousin, your older cousin, something like that, and I gotta put y'all on game and y'all come to me. You need to understand they're just at-home analysts. The people who have the most to say tend to have the least, tend to have done the least. How do you have the most to say about Kobe's game winner, LeBron's game winner, this person's play, but you never even in the game? You never even took a shot. So my young queen, my young brother, wherever you from, however tall you are, I don't give a fuck about any of that. You need to understand that investing, or whether it be investing or whatever it is, you're going to be investing time into yourself. You have to go for it. You have to do. You have to just go. Don't listen to the voices of these other people because they don't mean you harm. They're simply not in the right vibration and right frequency to even understand they're doing wrong or they're limiting people. So don't inherit anyone else's limitation. Do what the fuck is best for you. Go out there, get into the stock market. Because when you pop up and you come back a millionaire, when you come back the most successful version of you, people have no choice but to accept that. This life isn't an opinion life. All these opinions, people have all these opinions, but don't have no stats, no results to show for it. Your perception of life is what your life is. Where you're at in life is what your perception was in the past. So I say all that shit to say is, don't let anybody discourage you from doing what you need to do. You are the star of your life. You are God. You are royal. You are royal. You are royal. You are a king, a queen in your own right. We are all gods. We have the power in us to do whatever we want to do. It's up to you to get off your ass. I used to sleep in my car. I used to have no address, nigga. We all come through different circumstances. But now, every video I post all of a sudden gets thousands of views. All of a sudden, I have thousands in my bank account. I have money investments. People listen to what I say and they gravitate towards me. Not because I changed, I didn't change. People just started attracting themselves to me because I got off my ass. The faster you get off your ass and get into whatever it is, invest in yourself, invest in the stock market, invest in whatever it is, the quicker you get results. All right? So please stop debating and worrying about yourself and, oh, what option trade could we hit today? That shit's gambling. I gave y'all 5-6 plays. So appreciate them, eat off them. Don't get greedy. Gluttony is a sin. Remember, just to come here, have an understanding of what the fuck you want in this life and go after it. Simple. Simple. All the other parents and people who are, oh, but I think you should, don't get mad at them. Just, I get it, I feel it. But in your head, you know where you're headed. I'm a millionaire already. That's why y'all fuck with me. That's why y'all come attract yourselves to me, and that's why I'm having the success I'm having, and that's why we're growing together. I had to get that off my chest. I love you. I hope you have an amazing, blessed day. Let's continue to win. Stock market's only open 4 days next week. We're going to eat regardless. Join the Discord. Join the Discord. We're a family over here. Getting money, sharing energy, increasing people's vibrations. I mean, it's a beautiful thing. So I love you all. Hope you have an amazing, amazing, amazing weekend. Comment below if you're part of the Discord. You already know. Comment, Manifester Gang. It's your boy, 𝙬𝙬𝙬. Next week's goal will be for me to get my Discord to 2,000 people. That is what I want. You know, just a few weeks ago, I had negative in my bank account from time to time. Now, people, the things I desire are attracting to me. So I love you. Hope you're having a blessed day. Have a great weekend. Share this video with somebody. Like it. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification. We going up. We on the road to 20K in money and 100,000 subscribers. I love you all. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, and stay healthy. You did.